Hello, Chef here with a new knife. This baby comes from Japan. Oh yeah, let's see what's in the box. Oh, first of all, what do we got here? Diacross by Kasumi. It's completely in Japanese. There's nothing here that I can see in English. I'm not very good at Japanese, so I'm going to just open the box and show you what we got here. It's Kasumi. I do really like Kasumi, and even the quality of the packaging is really nice. Wow, look at that beauty. Really, really nice. This knife's got some special properties and features to it, and I'm going to open it up and show you a few of them. And then you're going to need to follow along and subscribe to the channel, because I'll be using this knife throughout a few of the videos coming up. Yeah, even the packaging is really, really nice. Hard to get out? Well, that's good. That means it's going to survive the travel. If you order it from the sponsor, I know they've got free shipping and a sale going on right now. Look at that. Really, really cool. Well, some of the features: a pure stainless steel handle, welded, invisible weld here, to a molybdenum vanadium alloy steel blade, made in Sekai City, Japan. Wow, I like it. First thing you notice right away, non-slip handle. Really, really nice. It grabs you like an octopus. Really cool. I can't imagine your hand slipping. And also the balance. Wow, look at this knife. Balance is right about there. Yeah, maybe 2 fingers. Anyway, it's really, really nice. It's balanced very well. Feels good in your hand. Most unusual thing right here, 7 inches. I like 7 inches. It's a really nice size. And it's missing from some of the other brands. They don't have 7 inches, so it's pretty cool. And I think you're going to like it. It's also got a very special bevel on it. I won't get into that in this video, but I would like you to subscribe, score it at the sponsor if you want to try one of these. They're in stock from Japan. They ship them all over the USA and even throughout the world. But anyway, it's a really cool knife, and you're probably missing a 7-inch in your collection. I like it. Also, the weight's very, very nice. What a great knife. I will be using this knife throughout some of the other videos. Make sure to subscribe. Smash that like button. Feel free to share. And check out your sponsor. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Get cooking and have a great day. Diacross, Kasumi, Chef Depot. .com, chefdepot.net. Score it right there. Wow. Magical mystery oil. A little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. Good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut. Big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many, many other wood products and applications. Check out the sponsor. Yeah, these blocks are on sale. The oil finish is on sale. Subscribe right here for a lot more things Butcher Block, and hit up your sponsor. Yeah, free shipping and no tax most areas. Check it out. And right there, wow, that board is revitalized. It's ready to go. It's good for another month. Yeah, with that, I'm going to leave you go. Thanks for watching. If you need these awesome cutting boards, just check it out right there at your sponsor. They got them in stock, and they do custom sizes. You can order this in countertops, island tops, gigantic, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, 5.5 foot, 6 foot, 10 foot, 12 foot. You name it, you can get it from the sponsor. Oh yeah, really nice. I like the walnut. It's very showy, it's very beautiful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel right down there. Okay, so we continue to layer these, adding a few ounces with each layer like this, looking good. We're gonna put some of this chocolate, just a touch more, like that. Oh yeah. Whipping cream would be good on here as well. And now I've got the fine chocolate for my garnish. Yeah. Or you were making two-tone cream of butternut squash soup. Oh, yeah. This is good to go. Yeah, and now you repeat with a little bit of this magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. There, oh yeah, looking good. That surface is treated and it's ready to go. I would repeat this at least monthly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right there. Smash that little like button so other people find the videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow, it's going to really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot. And get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in butcher block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. This one has been cut on more than 10 million times and it just keeps going. It's very easy to clean. We use this bench scraper, remove any food or particles, and get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in butcher block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.